Hello and welcome to another episode here in Yabang Pilipinas. And for this episode, we'll just have a quick game. Hulaan kung yung mga babanggitin ko na mga scientific name or mga species ay grasses, sedges, or broadleaf. Okay, let's start. Number 1, Commelina diffusa. You can pause the video if kailangan niya ng time to answer. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Leptocloa chinensis. The answer is grass. Next, Imperata cylindrica. The answer is grass. Next, Cyperus rotundus. The answer is sedge. Next, Iphomea triloba. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Amaranthus viridis. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Digitaria spp. The answer is grass. Next, Ageratum conizoides. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Cynodon dactylon. The answer is grass. Next, Pulang puwit. The answer is grass. Next, Cyperus iria. The answer is sedge. Next, Heliotropium indicum. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Bidens pilosa. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Chromolena odorata. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Rotboelia cochinchiensis. The answer is grass. Next, Pistia stratiotes. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Cleome rutidosperma. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Penicetum purpureum. The answer is grass. Next, Mimosa pudica. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Paspalum conjugatum. The answer is grass. Next, Echinocloa colonna. The answer is grass. Next, Fimbristilis spp. The answer is sedge. Next, Monocoria vaginalis. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Cenchrus echinatus. The answer is grass. Next, jungle rice. The answer is grass. Next, mutha. The answer is sedge. Next, Paspalidium flavidium. The answer is grass. Next, Sphenoclea zeylanica. The answer is broadleaf. Next, Portulaca oleracea. The answer is broadleaf. And next, this picture. Ano yan? The answer is sedge. And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Nakakuha kayo ng maraming points in identifying the scientific names of different weed species here in the Philippines. And yeah, thank you for listening. If you have a friend that you want to pass the licensure exams with, kindly share this video to them. And yeah, para makapag-practice din kayo. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye.